How to fix Facebook video not playing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook video not playing on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here just type Facebook and here and then just click clear cache and force stop and go to data usage here, this one, and enable Wi-Fi. You will find it like that, enable it and then just go back and restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.